who knows what we're going to find when we move
now
it.
Alan's taking video.
Uh-oh.
It's just been taken, so we're going
Do
to
you
change
want to
orders.
stand up and we'll stage,
Thank you, great one.
and then turn around and do the...
Okay.
This is hot stuff.
It's just that I only take it out once in a while.
Stand and breathe.
I used, it used
Get
to
in the
fit me
spirit.
really good. Now it doesn't, but it will.
Do you want to use this drum or do you want to This is the one that's like when your brother
The fire is a transformational tool that we use. And so through the ceremony, we leave our thinking mind and we step into that world of spirit outside of time and space, where we're able to release our habits, our roles, our karma, all that fun stuff, you know. So, as we grow in life in the physical world, we have a tendency to absorb stuff, as they say, baggage, right? And so the fire is a time to release that baggage, to let go of it. And so what you'll do with the fire, and again, I'll bring this up a little later, is, we'll have you get in touch with that. And sometimes the baggage comes in the form of roles that we play. Mother, nurse, caregiver of your parents, wife, husband, whatever. And we get into these roles and they control us. Like, well, I'm a wife and I'm supposed to act this way, or I'm a husband and I'm supposed to act this way, regardless of what you feel, right? And so with these roles and things, they can control us, and we do oftentimes go subconscious on them, so we're not even aware that we're doing them. So as we're doing the drumming and stuff, think about, what do you want to shed in your life? What part of your life do you not feel comfortable with? Something, something at the energetic level, the emotional level, not I want to shed my wife or my husband, So you can do that too, but to the winds of the south, great serpent, teach us to shed our past as you shed your skin, to walk lightly on the earth. Show us the beauty way, hope. To the winds of the west, we can all turn to the right one. To the winds of the west, Mother Jaguar, come protect our healing space. Teach us truth. Teach us impeccability. Show us the way beyond death. Hope. To the winds of the north, Hummingbird, grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, all our relations. Come warm your hands by our fire that you might whisper to us in the winds. We honor all those that have gone before and all those that are yet to come. Hope. To the winds of the east, great eagle condor, you who come to us from the land of the rising sun, keep us under your wings. Teach us to fly wingtip to wingtip with great spirit. Hope. Oh, Pachamama, Pachamama, all your children have come for healing. The stone people, the plant people, the two-legged, the four-legged, the many-legged, the fin, the fur, the wing, all our relations. I hope. Father, Son, Grandmother Moon, to the star nations. Great Spirit, you who have 1,000 names and you are the nameless one. We honor you and thank you for bringing us together and allowing us to sing this song of life. Hope. Woo-hoo! All right. All right. Great.
So with this part of this session, mostly I want to just have you explore getting into rhythm. There's no right or wrong thing for you to do. Just drum what you feel, but what we want to try to do is play as a team. So try to listen to everybody around you and try to fit in. Pick out something maybe that doesn't have to be the same, can be different, but pick out something that fits in and listen to each other as a group. And rhythm is a really good thing. It just moves energy and it opens your soul, and it'll actually be a good preparing for what Steve's gonna have us do when we do the fire ceremony.
He finished real good.
So let's kick it up a notch and go a little faster. Keep going. I'm going to talk to you. Keep going. So this is called orchestration. Play as quiet as you can. So we can hear Steve. Right now let's go as loud as you can. Rattle it, rattle it. Thanks, you guys.
Thank you.
That was great. You guys are great. I'm going to pass it over to you.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is we have the fire. I'm going to make 3 offerings. The first offering is to the directions. The second offering is to the Great Spirit and the Pachamama. And the third offering is to us and our ancestors. Okay, so. To the winds of the south, great serpent, we thank you for teaching us to shed our past as you shed your skin. Thank you for teaching us to walk lightly on the earth. Aho! To the winds of the west, Mother Jaguar, thank you for protecting our healing space. Thank you for showing us the way beyond death. Aho! To the winds of the north, Hummingbird, grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, all our ancestors and relations. We thank you for all your wisdom and heritage that you've given us, all those opportunities for growth that you have transferred on to us in life. Aho! To the winds of the east, great eagle, condor, you who comes from the land of the rising sun, thank you so much for teaching us to fly wingtip to wingtip with great spirit. Hope. Pachamama, Pachamama, we thank you for this opportunity to grow and heal together, to experience life and to experience change and growth into luminous beings that we are. Aho. Father, Son, Grandmother Moon, to the star nations. Great Spirit, we thank you for bringing us together and allowing us to sing the song of life. Woo-hoo! All right. Woo! Yes, thank you, everyone. Woo!